Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 31 how to download an IG story and then repost to your IG story on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application, and the repost for IG stories on your iPhone. And now go to the Instagram application. Make sure you're signed into the account. Go to the search box itself and type in computer science life. Go to his story. Click on share to copy, or we can go to the iPhone homepage. Click on repost. Search for computer science life. Click on this. Click on his IG story. Go to the right hand top corner of the screen. Repost to Instagram. Yes. Repost wants to open Instagram. Open. We can repost to the story or feed, but we will be posting to story. And now send to your story. Done. Click on your story. We have now reposted an IG story from someone else's account to your account using repost for IG stories on Instagram. Go back to your homepage for your iPhone. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.